Nathaniel woke me up, asked me where the keys were. He got up, took a shower, and when he came back, I was still asleep. But we had a good breakfast, did the dishes, put away the camp, and now we're hiking to Svartifoss.
1.6K that way. It's the mile.
Here we go. I need to be in shape for trips like these where I just plan it. 2 weeks later, I'm on the trip. Just like this one. It was like, I'm going to Iceland in 2 weeks. I hope I can do it. Here's a foundation for a house with that in the background. I could live here and do that. Maybe. If I had indoor plumbing, I could do that. Svartifoss! What makes this waterfall really unique is these basalt columns that you can see going all the way up. Especially over here, you can see them kind of curving upwards. What causes them? Nathaniel's going to tell you all about these columns because he knows.
So what's unique about these columns is that as the lava cools, it's all in this compressed form and it starts to crystallize. And so when it fractures along a start line, and once you've got a start, it just goes all the way up. And it also goes layer by layer. So it's forming columns and pancakes. And you can really see the pancakes well on that rock down there. You can see the distinct lines that mark it vertically. So it's cracking upwards along a steady fault as it cools vertically.
Thanks, Nathaniel.
You're welcome.
Yeah, that must also be why these things are breaking off like it's straight lines as it goes up the wall here.
That would be exactly the case.
Svartifoss.
I think it speaks for itself. Just, it's amazing.
Simply stunning. Gosh, it's just so freaking cool. Wow. Just wow.